Hello friends, today our topic are the minors, cofactors and the adjoint of any matrix. So how to find the minors, cofactor and the adjoint? Practically there are many useful applications of the determinant. So cofactor expansion is one technique in computing the determinants. Now we will discuss how to find these cofactors through minors of a matrix and use both of these elements to find the adjoint of any matrix A. Then by the adjoint and determinant we can develop a formula also to find the inverse of a matrix. So let us first discuss about the minors. To find the minors of any matrix, expand, block out every row and column one at a time until all the minors are found. How? The steps to finding each minor of a matrix. Delete the ith row and jth column of the matrix. Then compute the determinant of the remaining matrix after deleting the row and column of the step 1. Let us check how to find the minor of a matrix with an example. Let that is the matrix given according to row 1 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. Let us first finding the minor M11. M11 means the position of row 1 and also the position of column 1. That means delete the ith row and jth column, that means the first row and first column of the matrix. So if we delete the first row and first column of the matrix, so the remaining matrix is minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So compute the determinant of the remaining matrix after deleting the row and column of the step 1. Once again we are deleting the first row and first column for M11, that means the row 1 and column 1. So that is we are remaining matrix minus 1 1 1 minus 1, that one. Then find the determinant of that particular matrix. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1, we are getting the result as 0. Let us check with the second minor. Here for the M12, that means the first row is the 1, column is the 2. So we are deleting the first row and second column. So remaining matrix is 2 1 1 minus 1, 2 1 1 minus 1. So after finding the determinant of that particular matrix, we have 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1, that is minus 3. Let us check another minor. Suppose that one is the minor of 1 3, that means first row third column, first row third column. So we are deleting the first row and third column. So the remaining matrix is 2 comma minus 1 and 1 1. So after finding the determinant of that particular matrix, we are getting 2 into 1 minus 1 minus minus 1. So we are getting the result as 3. Same as if we proceed with the same thing, suppose we have to find the minor of M31, that means the third row and first column. So once again we are proceeding with that particular thing, third row. So we are deleting the third row and first column. So the remaining part is, our matrix is minus 1 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 2 minus 1 1. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus of minus 1 2. We are getting the result as 1. Let us check another one. Suppose M33, that means third row and third column. So we are deleting the third row and third column. So the remaining matrix is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, and we are getting the determinant of that particular matrix as 1. So finally, whatever the minors we have found from the very first one according to the position, that means from 0, that is our M11. So let's check that one, that is our M11. So that is 0. M12, that is minus 3. M13, that is 3. M21, so that is our M21. We are getting the result as minus 1. So that is minus 1. In the same way, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 1. So that means M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. So the minor matrix we have found. So that is the way how we can find the minor of any matrix. Let's check with the next topic, that is how to find or what is the meaning of the cofactors of matrix. Now to find the cofactors of a matrix, just use the minors. That means the minor matrix is a necessary thing, and apply the following formula. That means Cij, that is the elements of the cofactor matrix, is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j, that means row plus column into the minors. So let's check once again with the minor matrix we have found. So let's check the very first one. Suppose we have M11 here. So what is the position of that one? Row 1, column 1. So multiply it with minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 1. That means minus 1 whole to the power 2. So we are getting that one as plus. Next one, M12. So that means minus 1 whole to the power row 1 plus column 2. So that means minus 1 whole to the power 3. Odd. So we are getting that one as minus. Next one, M13. So that means first row, third column, minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 3. That means even. So we are getting it as plus. In that way, suppose that one, that means M21. So minus 1 whole to the power 2 plus 1. So that means that one is minus. So we are getting minus of minus 1. So in that way, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, once again plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and so on. So whatever we are getting the minors, that is very important for that particular cofactor matrix. So for the same matrix, whatever the minor matrix we have found, that is 0 minus 3 3, minus 1 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 1, that is our minor matrix. So use the formula, that is minus 1 whole to the power I plus j into Mij. So here the first one must be plus, then one must be minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, then plus, minus, plus. So we are using the plus minus, and we are getting that one is plus 0. Minus of minus 3, we are getting plus 3. Plus 3, that one obvious. Minus of minus 1 here, so we are getting plus 1. Then plus of minus 3, we are getting minus 3, minus 2, 1, 3, 1. So that is the cofactor how we can find. So first one topic was the how to find the minors, and the second one how to find the cofactors. Now the third one topic, that is how to find the adjoint of a matrix. Normally the adjoint of a matrix is denoted by adj of that matrix A. The name of the matrix is A. Just transpose the cofactor matrix. So that means here for the same matrix 1 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1, already we have found the cofactor as 0 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 3 1. So just we have to transpose it. Just look at the cofactor matrix here. We are transposing it and we are getting 0 1 1 as the first column as first row, 3 minus 3 3 as the second row, and the third column 3 minus 2 1 as the third row. So that is how we can find the adjoint of a matrix. So that is how we can find the minor matrix of any matrix, and how to find the cofactors, and also how to find the adjoint of any matrix from the cofactor matrix.